In this question, we are given a new definition of a mathematical operator. So let's write down the information first. We have that a and b and k, they are all positive integers. That means they are all greater than 0. We have that a to the power k double bar b means that a to the power k will be a divisor of b, but a to the power k plus 1 is not. Now, whenever any new definition is given of any new mathematical operator, to understand what the question is actually asking, we usually take up small values and check what we have to find. So, we know that a to the power k is a divisor of b, or we can say that a to the power k will be a factor of b, since divisor and factors are interchangeable terms. But a to the power k plus 1 should not be a divisor of b. Let's take an example. Suppose 2 to the power 2 double bar 12 implies that 12 is completely divisible by 2 squared. That is, 12 is completely divisible by 4. But if we increase the power of 2 by 1, that is, if we take 2 cube, then 12 is not divisible by 2 to the power 3. So we can conclude that 2 to the power 2 plus 1 is not a divisor of 12. Now, if we factorize 12 and write it as 2 squared multiplied by 3, we can see that the power of 2 on the left hand side should be equal to the power of 2 on the right hand side for it to be a divisor of b. Using this concept, we now move on to step 2 and understand how to solve the question. Let us factorize 72 first. We can factorize 72 as 2 times 36, which is further factorized as 2 times 18, 2 times 9, and 9 is factorized as 3 times 3. So 72 can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. We have to find the value of k such that 2 to the power k will be a divisor of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. We now move on to step 3 and do the required calculation. So 2 to the power k, if it is divisible by 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3, using the analogy explained in the step 1, we can conclude that the value of k will be equal to the value of the power of 2 on the right hand side. That means that the value of k will be equal to 3. We can also check that if we divide 72 by 2 to the power 4, which is 1 power more than 3, we see that it is not divisible. So we can say that the correct answer is option B.